We are here in Collegetown Center. We are about halfway down the hallway and we're going to take a look at apartment 417. This is a 5-window style apartment. This is our largest footprint for a studio apartment here in Collegetown Center. So let's go take a look. Here's the kitchen. As we enter, on the right side, you can see the refrigerator, the sink. Underneath is the dishwasher. There's the microwave, the stove and oven. You can see the countertops and drawers and cabinets here in the kitchen. Across from the kitchen, we have the bathroom. We'll take a look in there and see our bathroom space. The bathroom has that tub shower with the sliding door over on the left. There is the sink and vanity that does open for more storage, the large mirror, the nice big light, the toilet, and there's a small cabinet on the wall for smaller bathroom items, and you can see the towel racks there as well. So that's a look in the bathroom space. And as we go into the apartment, this is again the largest floor space that we have in a studio apartment here in Collegetown Center. Let's take a look at the closet. We have a good closet space in here. So there's a shelf and hanging space and good space in the closet. The apartments will always be furnished. You'll have the bookshelf, the dresser, the desk and chair, the full-size bed, and the dining table. We really want to take a look at this extra space, so let's go on through. I do like the bed in this position over here against this wall as we enter the apartment. You can, of course, move the furniture around however you like within the unit. Here's an example of furniture that you would want to move. You would want to move the desk so that it is not blocking that heating unit over on the wall on the left. So you'd want the desk in a different position so that heat can circulate a little better in the winter. So over here, this area where we have the windows, from here, all this is extra space that we get in these 5-window apartments. This is a great amount of space. If you had your own extra things, if you're having overnight guests and you wanted your own air mattress or something like that, you could certainly have some extra space to use within the apartment. Let's take a look out the windows. We call this a 5-window style apartment because it has 5 windows starting over here on the left. The windows at the far left and far right both open. The others are fixed. And you can see we are looking down Dryden Road over here. That building, that red building over here in front of us is Collegetown Plaza. This is Dryden Road. So we have some great people watching opportunities here in central Collegetown. This is the north side of the building. You can see some more of those 5-window style apartments over right next door. That is the number 21 position over there. That's right over the entrance to the building. Again, we're in the middle of the building. And you can see the cars going by. We don't think that there's a lot of traffic noise around here. They're good windows. You can see the main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road on the corner. From there, we're located just 1 block to campus. Collegetown Center is located at 151 Dryden Road. This is a 6th-floor elevator building. We're on the 4th floor in Unit 417 at this 5-window style apartment here in Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road.